Hello, everyone. I wanted to go over some evidence concerning the sun's angular size throughout the day. I was in a live tonight, and I saw Rip and Flat Smacked and Fabulous Block talking about the sun changing angular size throughout the day. And then they were showing videos, of course, of the sun setting without a solar filter, and so you see the glare reduction. So I'm going to go over again the evidence that I have to show that the sun doesn't change angular size. And hopefully they'll watch this video and see it for what it is. So this is July 2nd, 2024. And this is actually at the Biloxi, Mississippi area. So these photos are at these times, 7:45, 9:45, and 12:55. So let's look at these up close and see what we're going. And now I have some other dates we're going to look at as well. So here we go. So we're going to kind of zoom in on these real quick. So we'll take the 9:45 out. And so as you see here, that for 7:45 is this one, and that the 12:55 is this one. And so what I've got here is I've got a little marker that I can use and show how big the sun is with that little marker at 7:45 in the morning. And then you can come over and then put the marker there. So we should be seeing around 40% change in angular size if this was on a flat Earth. So we're looking at 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're looking at a 5-hour difference. So we should see, roughly around a 40% change in angular size, but we don't see it here. So let's look at another date. Okay, so here is, this is 5/27/2024. And here are the photographs that are overlaid on top of each other. And so what we're going to look at here is we're going to look at 7:30 in the morning, 11:30, 1:30, 18:30 in the afternoon. Okay, so here's the raw image numbers here. So we've got, again, this is 5/27/2024, 7:33 in the morning. 11:35, 1:32, 13:32, 1:32, and right there, 18:34, which is 6:34. Okay, so this is closest. This is around, the June 21st, which is the longest day of the year in the northern United States, or northern hemisphere. So what we're going to do here is we're going to kind of look at these side by side. So what we really need to look at, so we have the 7:30 in the morning, right, which is here, the 7:33, and now that is the 1:32, and we combine those together, and let's find the 11:30. All right, and that is the 11:35. Let's kind of zoom in here. So as you can see, from 7:30, if you want to look at 7:30 to 11:30, there is no angular size change. And then if you go from 7:30 to 1:30, you can tell there, hold on, there we go, there's no angular size change. So again, there's those two, 7:30, 11:30, and then 7:30 to 1:30 there. So this is 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30. So this is about a 6-hour difference. So we should be seeing a 40% reduction in size from here to here. So this should be the smallest, and this should be at its largest. Between 12:30 and 1:30 is going to be at its largest, and this should be at its smallest. But we see here no angular size change. So now if we want to go and we want to go to from 130, and then we're going to go all the way to, if I can find it, 630. Now we're going to take the 730 out. Well, we're going to take this out. Okay, so these two, same size. So now we're going to take the 730 out, and we're going to do the 1130 and the 130. So again, these, right? So here's the 130 and then all the way down to 630. So 130 to 630, no change. And then you take that out and you even do the 1130 to 630, no angular change. All right, so this is March 18th, 2024, and here are the pictures with the solar filter of the sun. We're going to do these three different sizes are at 8:55 in the morning, or not sizes, but times, 8:55 in the morning, 12:06, and then 5:02. Looks like there's another one somewhere. Oh wait, yeah, that's just a marker. Sorry, let me get that marker out of the way just for a second. There we go. Okay, so 8:55 to, let's start the 8:55 to 12:06. All right, zoom in here. So 8:55 to 12:06, no angular size change there. And we can even go, this one is 8:55 to 2:08, no angular size change there. And let's see, now we'll remove that and we'll get our furthest distance out that we took that day. Well, that one's behind a tree, but this is at 1811. No angular size change there. And let's see if I can find one. There we go. There's 1702. So 1206 to 1702. So you've got a 5-hour difference, but no angular size change there. Okay, so those are 3 dates that I've taken photos of the sun throughout the day with the solar filter and compared them side by side, each hour side by side. And clearly there's no angular size change, as it should be on a flat Earth, meaning that the solar noon sun should be the largest, and then at just before sunset, before the sun distorts, so to speak, which is about a 6-hour time difference, you should see an angular size change by 40 to 50%, and we just don't see that, as you've seen in the photos that I've done. Now you can do the same thing. You can take the pictures every hour on the hour and combine all of them and see if there's any change. If you want to do that, I've done that. Or you can just take a picture of the sun with a filter, at 7 o'clock in the morning, when you can fully see it, and you can take a picture of it with a filter, and then whatever your solar noon time is there, take a picture with a solar filter, and then before sunset, we can still see the entire circle of the sun without distortion. So do those 3 photos, and you'll be able to tell quite clearly that the sun doesn't change angular size as it should with the law of perspective and a flat Earth. If you've got any questions, let me know. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. Take care.